Hello students, welcome back. Today's lesson is about how to use can, could, and able to for ability. You can use can and could for general ability to describe a general ability in English. For the present tense, talking about now, we use can to talk about the present or general ability. For example, I can do something. I can read French, but I can't speak it. Be able. Be able can often be used here, but I'll explain that later in the lesson. The future. After now. Usually, we use will be able to talk about future ability. For example, I'll be able to speak French in a few months, but we can use can if we are deciding something now about the future. So deciding now about something in the future. For example, I don't have time now, but I can meet you later tonight. Here's an example as a question. Can you come to my house on Sunday? The past, before now. We use could for general ability to show that somebody could do something at any time, whenever she or he wanted. Was able or were able is also possible here. Example, she could ride a bike when she was 5 years old. Or we could say, she was able to ride a bike when she was 5 years old. Here's another example. My father could speak 4 languages. We don't normally use could to say that somebody succeeded in doing something on just one occasion. For this, we use was able or were able. Or we could use the word succeeded in something. For example, how many tomatoes were you able to get? We don't want to use could you get here. We don't want to say how many tomatoes could you get. So maybe you just got home from shopping for food. I can ask you, how many tomatoes were you able to get? On this one shopping trip, how many tomatoes were you able to get? Here's an example using succeeded in. After several tries, I succeeded in climbing the mountain. Let's look at could used for particular occasions in the past. In certain cases, we can use could to say that someone was able to do something on one occasion. We can use could with the words see, hear, taste, feel, smell, understand, remember, and guess. I could smell the flowers. I could understand everything the teacher said. This can also happen in subordinate clauses like, I'm so glad that everyone could come. Could with conditional use. Could can be used to mean would be able to. For example, I could get a better job if I spoke another language. Right? I don't speak another language, but if I did, I could get another job. Now, let's look at could have. We use a special structure to talk about some unrealized past ability. This is to say that a person was able to do something, but they didn't try it. For example, he could have married anybody he wanted to. Here, he didn't try to get married, but he could have gotten married if he tried. We can also use could have past structure to criticize people for not doing something. For example, you could have fixed the broken door. Why didn't you? Could have past structure can also be conditional. For example, I could have won the contest if I had tried. I didn't try, but if I had tried, I could have won the contest. So now you know more about how to use can, could, and able to for ability and that you can use can and could for general ability. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.